Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1969 Chevrolet Corvette. And it's a matching numbers 427 car. It's done in the factory color combination, which makes it a really rare option vehicle. Now, if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now, I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it. Then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway for you as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice this chrome is just as beautiful as it would have been when new on the showroom floor in '69. And as you look down the side, you can see that this body is slick as a ribbon. As you make your way around the driver's side, you'll notice the 427 badge here on the hood, along with the Stingray emblem here at the front fender. Now, before we go on around, I want you to come on up. We'll take a look at the interior. On the inside, it's done in saddle, which, as I mentioned, is the factory color combination. And you'll notice everything on the interior looks brand new. As you look across the dash, it's in phenomenal condition along with all of your gauges. They are all working along with your console gauges. Now, as you come on around, you can see the bags on the passenger side are beautiful. You'll notice that all of your door panels are in excellent condition. You can take a close look at these seat covers and see that they appear to be replaced as well. And you can see the door plates are phenomenal, along with all of the jambs being slick. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how excellent that door shuts and fits. Now, as you come across the back, you'll notice that all of your chrome bumpers in the back are beautiful, along with the rest of the trim and stainless. You can also see, as we look down the passenger side, that this body has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine. As you make your way around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this '69 is. It's done in this Tuxedo Black, which is absolutely stunning. It's got the saddle interior with the tan top, which we have back right now. You'll also notice that we've got the side pipes, which is one of the most iconic options that this car comes with, and that it's set up with the 15-inch rallies with the top hats and beauty rings, and the BF Goodrich radial TA white letter tires. Come on up and we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, it's set up with the matching numbers 427. It's also got the snowflake intake with the 3-deuce setup. And you can see this car looks factory like it would have in '69. Everything has a gorgeous detail. We've got the factory style air cleaner and the factory style valve covers. You'll even notice that we still have the smog pump here. This car is truly a time capsule car that'll take you right back to when muscle cars were at the height of their era. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Corvette, we'll get it pulled around there and put up on a lift so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this 427 around there and up on a lift, then we'll get it out on the highway for you. Now that we have this Corvette up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the driveline along with the frame and the floors. As you can see, everything appears to have been very well cared for over the years, and the floors are in great condition along with the frame that all looks rock solid. Now under the front, you can see that the bushings appear to have been replaced along with the shocks. The matching numbers 427 engine is made to the Muncie 4-speed trans. It goes out back to the stock style rear end with 308 gears. Now for exhaust, you can see that it's set up with manifolds, and of course we've got the iconic side pipes. Now this Corvette of course comes with 4-wheel disc brakes, which all appear to be in excellent condition and have been serviced. All of the brake lines are in great condition as well, along with the fuel lines. Now before we get this Vette down on the highway, let's take another close look at how excellent the frame and the floors all look to be.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.